doing again is that we are just, we've been in contact with our client, Sherry Swenson. We are letting her know that as soon as the mandate comes down, we will give her the authorization to go ahead and start issuing licenses. Basically, the reason we're doing that is when, one, the Supreme Court denied the petition. That means the 10th Circuit ruling confirming Judge Shelby's ruling is going to take full force and effect. But that cannot happen because the 10th Circuit had stayed the issuance of their ruling until that mandate goes into effect. That is when the law becomes the law as far as confirming Judge Shelby's ruling. So we're just waiting for that, and as soon as that happens, we will give the authorization to the clerk, and then she will start issuing those licenses. Our concern continues to be that since there is going to be a lot of interest in that those licenses as well as those marriages have the full force of the law as well as consistent with the constitutional protections that those licenses are trying to confirm. So.
Again, what's the time frame potentially for this?
This could happen in the next 30 minutes. It could happen today. It could happen tomorrow. So it is just just waiting for that to happen. I think what is important for people to recognize, it is inevitable that the licenses, marriage licenses, will be issued in the state of Utah. It is inevitable, and that the ban against gay marriages will not stand consistent with Judge Shelby's ruling. As far as the state of Utah is concerned, the issue of gay marriage ban is moot. And that does not mean that the Supreme Court could take some other case, but as far as the state of Utah is concerned, this was sort of the final appeal up. Now we just come back and give full force and effect to the rule of law consistent with Judge Shelby's ruling.
So you're waiting for who now?
The mandate from the 10th Circuit. That's what we're waiting for.
A mandate, is that a legal document? Basically?
Yeah, so basically it needs to be finalized, the official document coming down from 10th Circuit, which had explicitly stayed its issuance consistent with the appeal and petition that had occurred. So if you think of it, the petition for cert no longer exists. The ruling from 10th Circuit confirming Judge Shelby's ruling now takes effect. It's the official order from that confirmation of Judge Shelby's ruling. That is what we're waiting for.